Hi foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make butter toast. Okay, here are the ingredients we need. First of all, we need sliced bread. Take the necessary amount. Margarine or butter as you like, and marmite. Let's start. First of all, spread butter on one side of the bread slices. Now let's see how this can toast to the taste. Take the pan and switch on the flame, then add some butter to the pan. When butter is melted, put one bread slice into the pan. Make sure to put side without butter into the pan first. After about 2 minutes, you can see all the butter is melted and absorbed on upside of the bread slices. When bread slice turning to golden brown color, take it out. Make sure your flame is very low. Finally, apply marmite on toasted bread slice as you like. Our butter toast is ready. Serve it hot. Thank you for watching our video. See you again with a lovely recipe.